If you lift up your filler cap and you see yellow like this, what's it mean? Does it mean your head gasket is gone? Do you have oil in your head gasket or in your coolant? Nope. What it means is you've done too many short journeys and the condensation has just built up. So all you have to do is give it a good hard drive, maybe change the oil a bit more regularly, let the car get up to temperature, try to avoid doing really short journeys, and yeah, just give that a wipe down afterwards. So just before we drop the engine oil, it is a good idea to lift up the dipstick and take the cap off the filler, just so we don't get any vacuums and lets the air pressure equalize. And another good tip is, once you've taken the filler cap off, leave your keys with the filler cap. That way you cannot start the engine with no oil in the engine. Okay, let's go down underneath the TT. Next we use our 19. We're after cracking the nut open and it should be ready to drain the engine oil out. Okay, let's see if we can do it without getting covered in oil. Brilliant! Clean hands! Woohoo! Now we're going to leave that drain and we're going to change the oil filter. Underneath your engine, behind the radiator, you'll find the engine oil filter. Next we're going to get out our oil filter out of the box. There was a plastic cover on top of it. Remember never to stab it, always take it off by hand, because if you stab it with a screwdriver to break the plastic seal, a little piece could go inside and obviously that would be bad. So yeah, always pull it off by hand. So it's UFI, and that's the serial number on it. That's the filter I'm going to use, so let's install it next. Next we have the vice grip with the chain wrapped around the oil filter. We're just going to turn it anti-clockwise and remove it. Now with the oil filter out, that's the part number on it. That's the new one going in. So now let's install it. Oh yeah, and don't forget to put a little bit of engine oil just on the seal so it makes a good seal. And up it goes. Okay, next we take our 5W40 and we're about to fill, I think it's 4.5 litres of this into the engine. Oh yeah, before you start, don't forget to close the drain plug. Okay, now let's fill the 5W40 into the engine. Next thing we're going to do is change the air filter. So here's the air box. There's one Phillips here, one Phillips down here, one Phillips here to undo the clamp, and we have to remove the plug as well. To remove the plug, push it in, push down the clip, and then pull it back. It'll come out nice and handy. So that's that removed. And out it comes. So there's the old filter. It actually looks pretty good, but we'll see on the other side. Okay, and apart from the dead spider, I think it's a dead spider anyway. Yeah, it's dirty, but it's doing its job. Like, if it was clean, there'd be no point doing this job. So looks pretty dirty, but that's good. Okay, the filters are cheap enough, so we can just replace it. First thing we're going to do is give this a quick hoover out, get rid of any extra dirt, and then we're going to install a new filter. Okay, here we are with the new filter. Let's take it out. Okay. Once we work out how to take the plastic off, let's install it. Okay, now with the plastic off, we can install our new filter, our air filter. So that's it now installed, sitting down nice and flush. Okay, now let's just put the airbox back on. Okay, that's now the airbox filter done. Next thing we're going to do is the cabin air filter, which is just up here. So we're going to pull that off. We're just going to look in behind this. There's the cabin air. Oh gosh, look how dirty it is. Okay, just while we're cleaning it. So we're going to pull that out next. Okay, I'm just taking it out. So there's a tab just here and a tab just here, and the corresponding tab is just down there and another one down there. Just pull them slightly forward towards you, and then you can lift it up and take it out. And as far as I remember, it's very difficult. There we go. Okay. Okay, and we have the new filter, and it's, yep, looks like the same size, so definitely need to be changed. I don't even do that much city driving, so yeah, definitely needs to be changed. So if you are doing your filters, don't forget to buy your cabin filter or your POLLEN filter, whatever it's called, and change it too. Okay, so we have the old filter here, and this is the housing. So we lift the housing off it, And the last filter, or the last rib of the filter, is actually the holder that holds the filter on as well. So you can see that these clips here, up there, they actually kind of sit as in like little pockets. So the very last one, what it fits into, if I can do it on camera. So that's one side. And you can see the little stopper is just there. So it is actually meant to sit like a little bit underneath. So like it won't be proud. And you can see the opposite side is sitting into its own little pocket just here. So that's how you install the cabin filter into the holder or the picture frame. So there's actually a front and back to this as well. So you can see where it says ABS plastic, the part number, and it has a little groove. So two little teeth going in and one tooth coming out. Same with this side. Where on the opposite side, see there's little teeth here at the bottom. That goes in first, so that's sitting that way. So you can see the ABS plastic pointing towards the engine, and that's how you install it. So yeah, if you install it backwards, it's going to be one hell of a time trying to get that in. It's going to be very difficult because it's going in the wrong way. So don't forget to turn it the right way and then install it. Okay, and after a lot of swearing, it's now in. So yep, we have a new POLLEN air filter, or cabin air filter, whatever you want to call it. And you can see the clips just there and there, just how they fit in. Okay, that's that. Now done.
Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below. And as always, thanks for watching. See you later.